What's up YouTube? It's the boy Leon Reed. 5 things make a Jamaican is a Jamaican. Number 1, they always tell somebody if he suck their mother. It's like they unruly. Number 2, they always greet someone like this. Wagwan dog. No, in Jamaica, some people don't find that disrespectful because in Jamaica, dogs sleep outside. Number 3, they always smoke weed every day, every morning. They always smoke weed every day. It's come like a food to them. Isn't it? Number 4, they always talk about their jerk chicken. It's like they're proud of their jerk chicken. Number 5, they always curse like when they're in an argument with someone. Like bumbleclot, rasclot, pussyclot. That's it. Make sure you guys subscribe, drop a like, share, and comment.